it's me. I'm here just to tell you a bit about some of the myths that surround having a membership model involved in your business. There are several myths, probably hundreds actually, of myths surrounding the membership model, and generally those kind of things are what's stopping people from bringing that in and making it work for them. So today I'm going to talk to you about myth number 1, and that is that you really do not need to be an expert to have a membership. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, you only ever really need to be a few steps ahead of somebody to be able to guide them. Okay? Your role as a guide, as an expert, is to create a safe space where your members can explore and discover and use your resources to work stuff out for themselves, with your guidance, of course. So you don't need all of the answers all of the time. Okay? Number 2, you could simply be a creator and a curator of resources and content on a particular topic. So imagine yourself as a host. Imagine you're Oprah, okay? You can create a network of experts on your chosen topic that your members get access to. So think guest speakers, a library of other people's content with their permission, of course. And that is how you could potentially create and run your membership model. And reason number 3 is that when it comes to the expertise of creating, launching and growing your membership, you don't need to be an expert in any of that. That's what I'm here for, okay? So you don't need to have all of the answers all of the time. Just be a couple of steps ahead of somebody and have the passion and the will to want to help them. Number 2 is that you could curate resources, be a facilitator, be a host. You may not have to even create any content of your own to be able to run a successful membership. And thirdly, you don't have to have all of the answers about how to run a successful membership, because that's what I'm here for. So if you think that you don't know enough to create a wildly successful membership surrounding your knowledge or your passion, think again.